If you're someone who suffers from arthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, then you know that the flare-ups can be very frustrating, the swelling, the joint pain. But did you know that your diet can actually help you with these symptoms? So certain foods in our diet can actually cause inflammation, making these symptoms worse. So today we're going to talk about arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, specifically the foods that are not good for your joint pain. Hi, I'm Dr. Ritakshi, a medical doctor and a clinical nutritionist. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're discussing foods that are not good for your arthritis. So let's explore the 7 common culprits that actually worsen your symptoms. First on the list is fried foods. Now, fried foods are very unhealthy because they are usually fried in a lot of unhealthy fats. So several types of fats can actually increase inflammation in your body, which causes more flare-ups in your joints. So these fats include omega-6 fatty acids, and these are usually found in your normal vegetable oil or cooking oil, and these include your corn oil, safflower oil, sunflower oils, all these seed oils. And these are known to increase inflammation in your body, so you have to make sure that your oil does not contain a high content of omega-6 fatty acids. Also, these fats include saturated fats, which are not good for you, and trans fats, which actually decrease your good cholesterol and increase your bad cholesterol. So stick to options like baking, grilling, or using oils which are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Second on the list is high salt foods. Now, excessive intake of sodium or salt usually increases the risk of getting autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis. And it is also known to worsen the symptoms if you already have the disease. So generally, people should consume less than 2,300 milligrams of salt per day. So these high salt foods include your daily junk foods, your burgers, pizzas, chips, savory snacks, and you can also have some daily meat sandwiches. Avoid all the packaged foods. Try to opt for fresh foods, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, and try to cook your food at home with limited amount of salt. Next on our list is added sugar. So sweets and sweet drinks, sugary drinks, are public #1 enemy. So refined sugar is known to trigger inflammation throughout our body, which can actually worsen your joint pain. So make sure to check the labels of your food and try to find how much added sugar is in your food. This is a very common hidden ingredient, so you have to be very careful. Foods and drinks that include a lot of added sugar to them would include your white bread, your sauces, your pastries, cakes, juices, jams, bread spreads. Next on our list is nightshades. Now, this one's a little bit controversial because it might help some people to avoid these and some might not help some people. If you suspect that these nightshades are actually causing you inflammation or irritation, then you can try to eliminate them for a while, and then you can see if there's any improvement. Now, nightshades are vegetables that contain a compound called solanine, and this compound actually affects your gut microbiome and indirectly increases inflammation. Nightshade vegetables include potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, chili peppers, bell peppers, and eggplant. So make sure to keep an eye if these vegetables, when you eliminate them, can actually help your symptoms or worsen them once you have them. If they worsen it, then you should keep it excluded from your diet. Next on our list are foods high in purine. So if you are having gout, then that means that your doctor has advised you to be on a low purine diet with your medications. So purines are substances that actually our body converts into uric acid. When there is a buildup of a lot of uric acid in our bloodstream, then we can have a gout attack. Foods that are high in purines include our organ meats such as liver, our red meats, and also processed meats such as bacon and hot dogs and sausages, which are actually going to increase inflammation in our body, and also some seafood like tuna, anchovies. These are all going to increase purine and uric acid in your body. So make sure to opt for meats or proteins that are lean, such as your chicken, your beans, legumes. Next on the list is aged products, known as advanced glycation end products. Age products are inflammatory compounds that can be built up in our tissues, especially as a person ages. So whoever has rheumatoid arthritis or any other autoimmune disease, well, these people have increased age levels. So lowering age levels in our body can actually reduce the inflammation in our body as well. Fats and sugar are both known to increase age levels in our body, and also highly processed foods and some cooking methods like high temperature cooking also increases age levels in our body. So some of the foods that are high in age include our pizzas, our savory snacks, chips, fried foods, and butter, cheese. So these should be avoided or limited. Number 7 on our list are processed and red meats. So diets that are high in processed meats, red meats, and dairy products are usually known to have worsen the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. It's also known that having a higher intake of red meats can actually increase chances of getting rheumatoid arthritis. Red meats such as lamb, goat, pork, mutton should be limited or avoided, and processed meats such as bacon, hot dogs, sausages, salamis, they should also be limited or avoided. Next is gluten gut check. So some people who have arthritis can notice that gluten, a protein that is found on wheat, whey, rye, this is causing more symptoms or worsens their symptoms. So if you think that you have any gluten insensitivity, then you should check with your doctor and see if you have this condition, and then try to exclude gluten from your diet. Remember, everyone's arthritis is different. What affects one person's arthritis might not affect another's. So make sure that you keep a diary of what foods are triggering you, and keep a track of what foods worsen your inflammation and your joint pain, and then try to eliminate that food and see if that works for you. Also make sure to keep yourself hydrated, because that flushes out all the toxins from your body. So I hope you liked this video on arthritis and foods to avoid. And if you did, then please give it a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more nutrition tips like these. I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for joining in. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye.